Hey, so I'm starting off with the Morphe 24G palette. We're going to take those two shades and we're going to put that in the crease. I'm using a Morphe brush. I forgot which brush this is because you guys keep asking me. I gotta look. I'll put it in the description down below. But yeah, I'm placing it right in the crease. We are doing a halo, so I'm bringing it all the way in to the inner corner, as well outside on the outer corner of my eye. But you just want to pass that on, and then we're gonna take this other shade. I'm just saying this shade and that shade because am I the only one? Like, that plastic that they be providing is like I lose it. It goes in the garbage. I just can't find it. So yeah, I'm just showing y'all like exactly which shades in the palette and where they're located. And yeah, so we're just using that shade that I just showed y'all to blend out the edges, and this is gonna act as our, I don't want to say transition color because that's not our transition color, but yeah, we're just using that just to blend that out, and then we're gonna take an even lighter shade as our transition color, and we're gonna place that right on top of that last shade that we put down. With this one, I did use a fluffier blending brush. All of my brushes are from Amazon except for that first brush that I used, and all the brushes are in the description. So just click on that, boom, you got them. So yeah, I'm just using that shade just to blend out everything, and then I'm gonna go back in with the second color, as you can see now, and I'm just making sure that it's still there because it got kind of lost once I put the lighter shade on. So yeah, I'm just making that like blend seamlessly together. That's what you want to do. If you feel like you lost some pigmentation from a shade, just go back and just add it so it could be the way you want it. Once that's done, I did take my concealer and I cut out my halo little middle section, and I am going to use the darker shades to put it back because it got lost, as you can see. So I'm just placing that darker shade back in the inner and outer corners, and then I'm going to use the middle shade that we use, or the second shade that we use, and then we're going to take a shimmer shadow. That we're gonna take that shade right there. It's like a pinky bronzy shade out of the same palette. We just using one palette. I'm trying to meet everyone's needs. They like, B, you be doing too much, you be having like 3 palettes, so I'm trying to stick with at least just one palette, and that's it. But yeah, so we're gonna place that where that halo is at, and then we're gonna use some glitter. This glitter that I'm using is from Cutie Pop Glitzy Glitters on Instagram. You can use my code CutieMarie at checkout to save some coins. Okay, and then we're gonna use the NYX glitter glue. Okay, I am gonna outside the trucks. But yeah, I did use my finger to apply the glue because I don't know, I just felt like that's how I always do it. And then I'm just placing that glitter. Like, do y'all see that glitter? Oh my gosh, it's so nice. So it's a mixture of fine and chunky glitters. And this one glitter pot, I guess I could call it. Yeah. And just look at it. It just looks so nice. And like she mixes it to perfection because it's not too much, too many fine glitter. Okay, Autumn, I'm doing a video. There's not too many chunky pieces, not too many fine pieces. Like she understands the proportions. But yeah, just definitely check her out. She always has like little bundles that you can purchase. She always has a sale. So yeah, you better go check her out. Use my code till I sent you. And then I'm just taking the Kiko Milano Lasting Gel eyeliner. I'm just lining my lash line. And then, girl, these lashes, again, I know, but they are so bomb. Like, I love these lashes. At first I was like, I could not handle this, but I love them. There's some Lash Lane collection. These are the Vibe lashes. Today they actually have them for $6, y'all. Like $6 for these lashes. Y'all better grab them. Y'all better grab them because most of their lashes, all their lashes are $6 today, and a lot of it is being sold out. So get you some Vibe lashes from Lash Lane collection. Hurry up, tell them I sent you. I think you can still use my code with them too. So try putting in the code VMarie at checkout. I mean, if it doesn't work because they're already on sale, that's fine. They $6, so y'all still not losing. It's a win-win situation. So yeah, definitely check them out. Check out Cutie Pop. We out here. We doing connections. We networking. Okay. So yeah, once I put those on, and then I'm back with my whole face on because I already showed y'all how to do my face. So yeah, well, I gotta do an updated one because now I can contour or whatever. And yeah, I'm using my JD Glow Trust Fund Pressed Highlighter. Y'all know I love this highlighter. Y'all know it. Like, look at it. Just look at it. Like, it looks so bomb. And then once you spray your face, and then it just melts and just meshes. Oh my God, this highlighter is to die for. You don't need a lot. You do not need a lot because this highlighter is very pigmented. Like, it's very pigmented. So you see, like, I'm tapping it off because I don't want it to be like boom in your face. So yeah, and then I'm placing that on my cheeks, on my brow. Like, look at that brow. It just made my brow just pop just now, y'all. Look at that. Yes, brow bone. I see you, sis. But yeah, definitely check them out. It's worth the money. It's not like super expensive, but you want to spend a little point, okay? But it's definitely worth it. You don't need a lot. This highlighter is gonna last me for a good minute, like a good minute, because like we have multiple highlighters. We don't just use one. So I go in between this one and the crayon case. When I want to be extra, I use JD Glow. Crayon case is when I want to be, you know, kind of natural but still popping, you know. But this is just like the popping highlighter, okay? So now I'm just taking those darkest shades and I place that along my lower lash line. And then I'm taking that same highlighter and I'm placing that in the inner corners. I am going to blend it out and add more. You're going to see in the next clip that she's extra. And then, of course, I use the 321 lip liner and the Tarte liquid lipstick and birthday suit. In my pictures, I did add gloss because I don't know, I just needed it. But yeah, I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think. And yeah, subscribe, share, tell the people. Okay? See y'all in the next one. Bye.
I know it hurts when love bites back, but it's your fault. I wish you just accept